Welcome back to Better Glow Cosmetics.
Before we dive in, here is our verse of the day.
Today, I'm excited to share with you how to make a nourishing aloe vera moisturizer. This lightweight, hydrating lotion is perfect for your sensitive to oily skin types and uses natural ingredients to keep your skin happy and healthy. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today for this formula. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. Make sure to measure everything accurately for the best results. First, we'll combine all of the ingredients from phase A into a heat-safe container. Mix these ingredients well until they're fully combined. Melt phase A and B ingredients using a double boiler method or a microwave in 30-second increments until fully melted to about 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Once both phases are ready, slowly pour phase B into phase A while continuously stirring. Let the mixture cool down to room temperature before adding ingredients from phase C. Now add vitamin E, a broad spectrum preservative, and any fragrance to the cool mixture and stir well. It's important to test the pH of your moisturizer to ensure that it is safe for your skin. Dilute 10 grams of your moisturizer with 90 grams of distilled water and mix well. After calibrating your pH meter, test the pH of your lotion. Our target range is between 4.5 and 5.5. The final pH of our Nourishing Aloe Vera Moisturizer is perfect for our skin. Now it's time to bottle up our moisturizer. Use clean, sanitized containers to ensure the longevity of your product.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to create your own Nourishing Aloe Vera Moisturizer. I hope you find this guide helpful and that you're excited to try making it yourself. So stay tuned for our next video where we'll be diving into a brand new formula, an aloe vera serum using aloe vera gel and hyaluronic acid as the base. This serum is designed to hydrate, soothe, and rejuvenate your skin, providing an extra boost of moisture and care. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Remember, your feedback is invaluable to me, so leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you might have. Until next time, keep glowing and God bless.